ChatGPT is widely discussed among business professionals. It has been referenced on earnings calls by many corporations, including oil giants, banks, and even industrial juggernaut Caterpillar. It has also generated concerns about potential abuses. In the classroom, students have used ChatGPT to write complete essays, while hackers use it to develop malicious malware. So what exactly is ChatGPT? In this video, we're about to discuss a comprehensive guide about the widespread artificial intelligence chatbot. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible details, keep watching the video. So, what is ChatGPT? OpenAI, a company based in San Francisco, created ChatGPT, an AI chatbot. OpenAI was launched in 2015 by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, with funding from major companies including Microsoft. It is one example of generative artificial intelligence. These systems take textual input from users and output human-sounding or human-looking text, images, or video. Previous examples include OpenAI's DALL-E, a text-to-image tool that captivated users with its ability to generate realistic and at times odd images that fit textual descriptions. With Lensa, an app developed from the open-source AI project Stable Diffusion, users can edit their photos to create fantastical manga and sci-fi influenced works of art. ChatGPT is a text-based application that can generate human-like responses to user requests such as Shakespearean poetry and ideas for a child's birthday party. What's so special about it? ChatGPT is powered by a significant language model, or LLM, taught to understand human language and create responses based on enormous data corpora. GPT 3.5 is the name of ChatGPT's LLM. It is an upgrade to OpenAI's GPT-3 language model. With 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 is one of the largest and most powerful language processing AI models. ChatGPT's ability to produce human-like responses is awe-inspiring, owing in no small part to the vast amounts of data it is trained on. Jeffrey Wong, Global Chief Innovation Officer at professional services firm EY, told CNBC, "What's exciting is that the responses are more and more human-like, so what you're seeing is things that we did not think computers could do before." ChatGPT is further distinguished by its capacity to record the context of previous messages in a thread and use it to generate subsequent responses. Why is ChatGPT so popular? ChatGPT is the only generative AI application with the same amount of influence and virality. Last month, during the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, it was the subject of countless memes and corporate community conversation. Baidu, a subsidiary of the Chinese computing behemoth Baidu, developed its own Ernie bot. According to a tweet released by Altman on December 5, 1 million individuals signed up for the chatbot within 5 days of its release. 2 months after its launch, ChatGPT had 100 million monthly active users, making it the fastest growing consumer application in history, according to a note published by UBS last week. The accessibility of ChatGPT is one reason for its popularity. The service is open to the public via the OpenAI website, and its applications range from academic assignments to legal briefs. According to data from SimilarWeb, the 31st of January was ChatGPT's biggest day ever, with its website garnering a record 28 million daily views. That was a 165% increase from a month ago. How effective is ChatGPT in reality? ChatGPT imposes restrictions on its users. Responses from the chatbot could contain some errors. It can create entirely new historical persons, events, and publications, yet it cannot solve some mathematical issues, to name a few instances. There are hazards associated with these frameworks' adaptability. On the other hand, interactions are highly fluid and amorphous, with almost any topic capable of generating engaging conversation. In contrast, it is not always obvious when a model hallucinates versus when he or she is in touch with reality. The threats of ChatGPT to society. To some, ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like written materials means the end of journalism, while others argue that it lacks the necessary complexity and critical or ethical thinking skills. They have published this version to the broader public despite the alarming dangers that ChatGPT offers to society, since these dangers and challenges will help OpenAI fix gaps and workarounds. Because there is no absolute truth in the data used to train the model, they have admitted that some answers will be wrong. ChatGPT's elaborate explanations sometimes convince users that their questions have been answered correctly. ChatGPT as the next revolutionary technology. Many in the tech sector see ChatGPT as a look into the future. Despite its drawbacks and potential dangers, generative artificial intelligence is the next revolutionary technology that will change how we use the internet forever. As a result, some say this could be Google's end. Many have speculated that question and answer fees would be implemented in a future version of ChatGPT. ChatGPT will at some point have to cover its operating costs. Microtransactions and in-model advertising are two potential features of the models of the future. No one knows what the future holds, but it might lead to widespread joblessness in the creative industries or provide a convenient way for students to plagiarize their assignments. Its rapid ascent in a single week has made it a topic of conversation, and comparisons to Google and the iPhone make it sound like a promising young footballer that every coach wants to sign. However, at the moment, it's more of a meme machine, and an open AI is trying to figure out what it can and cannot accomplish with this cutting-edge technology. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning all about ChatGPT. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.